Hello there again from the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're going to get out of this cold next time, get back to the studio to talk to, well, maybe not the studio, wherever Amelia puts us. You know, if you're disorganized when you visit a future client, don't you think that future client will know that you're going to be disorganized and always in a state of chaos after they become a client? So maybe right at the beginning, you're sending signals that you're never going to get the account. So when you go out to visit a client, a future client, how organized are you? How much of the right information do you have? How much of the right forms do you have? So we call it a CAP kit. Client Account Prospect Kit. We use future clients now, but that just didn't sound right to have it a CAP kit. So it's a CAP kit. So what's in your CAP kit? And they're sitting there waiting for any producer to go out to visit a future client. So they don't have to think what to take. They may not use everything in there. In the index, the table of contents at the beginning will alert them to what's in there, remind them, refresh them. So what's in it? Survey forms and Accord applications and other applications you need, of course. A business insurance checklist to uncover all of those hidden traps that might cost you E&O dollars. Your agency underwriting standards. What's the minimum revenue account? What are the minimum limits that you're going to allow a client to carry to protect you and your E&O? Is it a minimum $1 million liability limit? Insurance to value, agreed amount. Employee dishonesty and everything, business income for each account. If it doesn't fit, is it in that CAP kit so bright? If this doesn't fit, please walk away. You know, it's not just getting the money, it's getting the right account. Workers' comp mod sheet, background information, driver's list to be completed, group census because it helps both in workers' comp and gives you an edge into their benefits if you're a benefits person. Agency, information about you, and not just stuff that everybody says, but stuff that says that you protect 3,475 business owners in your community or total people in your community, that you manage $34 million in premium. Things about you that most information kits about an agency don't include. That's going to set you apart. Claims examples, how you settle those, who to call, the right numbers. Everything so that that buyer doesn't have to guess on how things work after they become a client. We're going to talk more about this. Thanks for tuning in. We're getting back to the studio. Thanks for watching. See you next week.